activity a bit. We could even just leave it that way, but we can also lower the opacity if we wanted. And then we have the headlight covers, which we can also change to black and maybe turn up the reflectivity and maybe some refractivity a little bit, and then lower the force opacity. So that'll just kind of give us a little bit of see-throughness. Now, of course, future Video Copilot vehicle packs will be pre-set up with all the textures and materials, so you won't have to do any of this. Now, another good thing to do is to clean up your scene materials and just click Remove Unused Materials. So that way, missing textures won't be a problem, or something like that in the future. So now we've got our model in, and what we want to do is set this up to be rigged. So what we're going to do is shut the wheels off, okay? Then we're going to duplicate the model, and then we're going to turn the front wheels off. So we're going to turn everything else off but the front wheels, which are here, and put that onto group 2. Then we're going to duplicate it again and turn on just the back wheels and set it to group 3. And only group 3. By the way, if you hold down Alt, when you click on a group, it'll swap the channel. Now, for this particular setup, we want to make sure that we leave the anchor point to the center of the object because we want the wheels to rotate around their center point. I'm going to hit OK. All right, so we've got our vehicle here and everything looks intact. However, the way the rig is going to work is we're going to go into group 2, go down to the particle look, and enable multi-object. So we'll turn that on, and what this will allow us to do is control the rotation for the specific pieces. So check this out. We can rotate left and right, and if we come underneath the vehicle, you can see that it's rotating individually around the center axis. So it's different than actually rotating the entire particle, which will move everything together. So the multi-object, just like fracturing a ball or something, is going to rotate the individual pieces on their own center axis. So this is going to give us some nice control for our wheels. Now, here's the important thing though. We want the wheels to rotate forward, right? So we're cruising along, but we also want them to rotate left and right. So unfortunately, the order of the rotation by standard may mess this up. So what you want to do is find the rotation for forward and animate it. So in this case, we'll just set a keyframe, hit U, and move forward and then rotate this a lot. We can set up some expressions to do this, more accurately, but the idea is to just get it to start rotating and then adjust the turn rotation. So this is going to be messed up. This is like some crazy futuristic car.